4 days of food and drink needed for this trip. No worries. Why? We got Ingle coolers, man. We got this. This week, it's back to nature. Once again, we have an uncontrollable urge to explore and hunt muskies on a small, off-the-beaten-path river. We're gonna get them.
You rolling?
Rolling.
What we do in the springtime is get as far upriver as we possibly can, work our way back down. A lot of times when you're bringing them baits back away from them fish, that's what triggers them to bite in these river situations. So that's our plan today. Head up as far as we can, work our way back down, and hopefully we'll stick a big one. Boy, he came out of nowhere. Nice little fish. That was exciting.
You want to just grab him, Dave?
He just engulfed that little bulgaboo. That was cool. Very neat. We've been plugging along here this morning. Ben had a small one hit on the fly.
Beautiful little fish, Dave.
Nice. Kind of a unique little thing that we found out here, Ben. As you can see, we're on a long, big flat stretch. We've been concentrating on holes because that's traditionally what we do, but hey, you know, maybe they're in
Long
these flats.
stretch of 3-foot water, and when you're on these river systems, it becomes really important to pay attention to exactly where those fish are set up, because they tend to condense more in these river systems. So when you find one doing something, chances are you're going to find more in that same pattern.
Right. Oh, dude, I just had one eat my fly.
Right on the keys, custom color, baby. The new AP appealer, another nice little key here. All right on, man. All right, fish number 2 for us here, floating on these small rivers, guys. Oh, I hooked his eye bad.
There you go, Michael. Ooh, the lemon tail.
Yeah.
That's a nice looking bait right there.
All right, guys, I'm telling ya, there it is. That's what it's all about. And it's chilly. I mean, cold front conditions. She ate on an AP peeler, Keys custom color at Joe's Sporting Goods. Tell you what, awesome lemon tail. bait. Nice little fish. She smoked it hard too.
Here we are. It's spring of the year. It's actually closed up north, and we're fishing along here. I'm burning a little musky buster, bulger. Ben had one up on a fly, actually had one eat. Mike caught one on a musky buster, a peeler. I got one on this bulger, and we've been having just steady action. It's been actually a lot of fun today. Just raised a dandy on this bulger. Thing came in about a 45 incher, 46 incher. Spring of the year, I'll tell you what, you get out there, you got to just plug along and figure out what's going on. But boy, we've been having lots of fun. We've seen probably about 6 fish now. We're going to keep plugging along. We got another day ahead of us, and maybe even a little bit another morning, but things are looking great right now. We're on the top of the cold front just came and passed through, and tomorrow's going to get a little warm, so maybe we're going to get a feeding frenzy going on here is what we're hoping.
Hey, Ralph Punzel.
Oh, hey, Ronnie.
Where are you headed?
Great clips.
You're getting a haircut?
I checked in already. Using their online check-in.
Online check?
It saves you time.
You're getting a haircut.
Why?
Thinking about applying to astronaut school.
That's cool.
Okay, I'll see you, Ronnie.
Next time, save time. Download the online check-in app today. Great clips. It's gonna be great.
Guess what? Guess what? I feel a little better about myself now. Good. Oh. On the fly rod, finally we get one on the fly. Then we had one on before. We have been on crazy action all day. Super nice and tight bud. Good fish.
It's
Not 40.
Ooh, these fly rods are just a blast. It's
Super
dogging. Decent fish, guys. Oh,
yeah.
Just ate that fly. Gone.
Yeah!
Just ate that fly. Gone.
Awesome. Good
We were
job,
just
buddy.
talking. I was feeling a little snake bit. I couldn't get one hooked. It seems like whatever we get in front of them first, they're eating. So finally got a fly in front of a couple there. Finally got one to stick.
Hey, and
About
the nice
30
thing
hook sets on that one.
is the net
You
job.
got her in the net.
I got her in the net this time.
Hey, you know, all of us love to catch big, giant fish, but you can't tell me this isn't a blast.
You can't beat this one
Get
bit.
the net slimed up, get some baits bit.
5 fish, 6 fish. I can't even remember.
I don't even know.
It's been crazy. We've been breaking baits and having a great time. and a lot of good laughs, and we could have a ball.
I think we're out of memory cards.
We are out of memory cards. All right.
Look at the spots on her belly. That's cool.
Hey, have you guys seen my fly? Oh, there it is. Woo! Beautiful fish. That's going to be 36. You know, that's a respectable fish. A lot of fun on a fly rod. Full commit eat. As you can see there, you don't need a whole mess of trebles when they eat them like that. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Just a great fight. There she pumps away.
And off she goes. Good job, Benny. That was a blast. Finally get to see him catch one on a fly rod, see him stick one earlier today. And
Well, it's 3 o'clock. I'll tell you what, a lot of action, and that's why we fish these rivers this time of the year. Especially in cold front conditions, guys. It just doesn't affect the river systems as much as it does a lake. That's why we like the opportunities that a river has to offer.
come and look at Benjamin. Yeah. I looked at on the way down, it looked good right along that log.
You got her, buddy. You got her. Good job. I'd take her up a little further with the motor. That's for sure, man. I'm telling you. She's shallow, but this is deeper water than what I'm used to on this body of water, this river system here. I was here a couple years ago, and literally I had a hard time getting my canoe through here. So for us to get this war eagle through is pretty impressive.
I'll tell you what, pretty impressive to run a boat up rapids like that. This war eagle can draft a lot of shallow water, get us back in some places that nobody's fishing.
How far are you gonna go?
Right here. When we get down fishing big fish here.
For 2016, Skeeter is introducing the MX 2040. It comes with the Yamaha SHO and a long list of features that fishermen want. It's a 20-foot fiberglass fishing boat that's perfect for the musky angler and available at an amazing package price. Check out the largest selection of MX 2040s at the Skeeter Boat Center. They're online at skeeterboatcenter.com. Yup, you're gonna want one. We're always dealing with something. It's either super heavy winds, extreme heat, or extreme cold. But one thing is an absolute for sure fact. We have to fish. In our line of work, the show must go on. That's why we depend on Odyssey, the extreme batteries. We buy the best boats, electronics, and fishing equipment. Why would I skim on the most important piece of equipment? Our batteries.
Right on, man.
Nice. That broke the ice.
Put that on the little one, the
crusher.
Crusher, man.
And we're actually bringing the crusher back, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Really, very cool. And it's on the crusher again. That's 3 in a row. Man, big head shakes, big head shakes.
Some things are built right from the start, and when it comes to musky rods, the Bulldog Pro Series rods, well, they're that built right thing. The Bulldog Pro Series is tough as nails, odd caught her, she's in the bag, piece of equipment I can't do without. These rods pioneered big bait throwing technology. And you know what they say, throw big baits, get big fish. Bulldog rods, tough as a dog, and that ain't no bull.
I suppose if I sell a big account, or a kidney, huh? Or a kidney. Right. Maybe if I give up a kidney. I got him, big one. That one, girl, myself, real. Dude, we're gonna crash. No, we're not. I was looking at that speed. I just got done getting yelled at again. Got him. Then you have a tennis on. I'm gonna drive.
Oh, nice fish. A little bit bigger. Getting bigger, boys. Oh, yeah. I'll tell you what, man, we are having an absolute blast. Ben, you gonna help me with the net here? Or? Oh, you're tied up here. All right, I'll get this. But I'll tell you what, guys, we're having an absolute blast here. This was a cool strike. Dave had this fish up. Man. It was incredible. He had it up, came in, nailed his bait, got off, stuck his lure back down in the water, did a figure eight. It smoked it again. I'm telling you, man, that is so cool. And then we're throw back. The AP Peeler 2 right now on that. They're liking that bait, man. It's early in the season, and I'll tell you what, it's dandy fish like this. I mean, what a great fishery. These are gonna be giants someday, man. You know, big fish in these waters is 45 to 50-inch fish. They are in here, few far and in between. But I'll tell you what, this is what it's all about. Again, fish number 2 caught on a Musky Buster Mini Appealer, Keys custom color, chartreuse tail.
Mini
awesome.
super appealer, great bait.
Yeah. And put her in the current. And she's gone. Whew, that's a little slime time, baby.
Nice work, man.
Right home.
That's a nice one. Oh, you got off! Oh, it's a big one. Oh my God, that was a monster. Yeah, that's what it is. A real big one this time. I'm a believer here, guys. Rail that thing. Finally, I stick one. I lost 2 real nice ones. They're up here by Benny.
Just get those out of there. Aggressive little guys. But put up a good fight. Nice healthy current fish. Beautiful color on her. Let's get her back going here. Nice work, Dave.
It's been fine. Finally I get one. Boy, I'll tell you, I've had 2 heartbreakers. Lost 2 on a Jake drifter bait, and I switched over to the believer with rubber tail on there, and she smoked that thing. So finally we get another one on the board. But hey, what a fun day. I'll tell you what, we've had, I think that's our 4th fish now. We've seen probably upwards of 10, 11 fish, and it's been just a blast.
We've been on this adventure for the last 3 days, and this has been the hot lure, and we only have 1 left. But we know what to do, right, Dave?
Yeah, Mike, I'm already a step ahead of you. Got it right here on joesportinggoods.com.
Sweet. Check.
From Musky Innovations for 2016 is a redesigned Pro Dog. We've added an extra joint inside the bait so they're extra flexible. And we've taken the weight and we've moved it forward and down. And what that creates is that head down action when you rip the bait, and you get that like curling action like this. And it really gives it a lot of hop, and you get tons of reaction strikes out of it. It also helps the bait to run a little bit deeper. And now we also have it in the regular size Bulldog.
Oh, got it, got him, got one. Feel good then?
No.
Oh, nice fish.
I just could not catch up to her to get a good strip set.
Who's gonna eat that? Oh, nice too. Awesome. Oh, did you see that? That was cool as can be. What a blast. We are just running live here and Mike just... Oh, that's a little nicer one. It's probably the nicest one of the day so far. Swiped up at Benny's fly, and I'll tell you what, came up and sucked that believer down like right now. And he's all twisted up. You're ready? He's all twisted up, bud. Right there.
We got him. That's a beauty, Dave. That's a beauty there. Look at how brown.
Tell you what, guys, we've said it time and time again on Keys Outdoors, never overlook little rivers in the springtime and all summer long. Boy, they are full of a lot of great action. We're in a spot here, there is nobody, and we're not far from a town. So always keep that in mind, right out your back door. All right, guys, here we go. Little river trip. This is the perfect opportunity to pull out the old fish hardboard. Simple, put her away. Just like so. We're gonna just kind of bump this fish up. All right. Nice fish on a super believer. That's a nice fish. Tell you what, the new bump board here. We're gonna quick check her out. Wait, 42. Nice little fish. Got a hold of her. Nice fish. We've been having a great day, man. I'll tell you what. On a super believer, 2 on appealers today. Little rivers, Keys Outdoors action. That's what we got. Start of the year. Way to go. There she goes. Swimming away for another day. Once again, guys, we tell you all the time, stick with Muskies Inc. That's what we do. For $35, it's a great organization to belong to, and
Nice, Benny. Benny's hooked up.
Keep tension, bud. Can't tell what it is.
It's a muskie.
Nice muskie.
Yeah.
It's a nice muskie.
Keep tension, get it on this side. Good. Wait. Ain't going nowhere. I'm ready. No, one more.
Dave, I gotta.
No. Woo, this fly rod stuff, I tell ya, it is an absolute blast, and that's a really nice fish on the
He's not ready. I'm not gonna make that mistake on you again, bud.
Well done, David.
Awesome.
Woo, the sun is setting. We've had just an absolute blast the last couple days. Another beautiful fish on the fly.
Unbelievable. Every night towards about this time, it seems like it's just been turning on fire. Just lost one.
That fish came out of shallow water here, right on the tip of this sand point behind an island. Really classic musky location on a small river like this.
And what a way to get him on a fly, man. That's cool as
My heart is beating like it's my first muskie. Oh, that's a nice little fish. Got that big fly right in the corner there. Let's just quick pop that out. Oh boy. That's the nice thing about fishing with flies. We generally fish barbless. Makes them real easy to get unhooked. A couple of these clearer, greener ones today. Let's get a quick bump on her here. The beauty of this board is when you put the fish on, it flattens itself out real nice. 37. Beautiful little fish. Well, we're gonna get her back and wrap her up here.
You know us Keys boys, we're river rats by heart. And the reason being is especially we come off of this terrible cold front conditions. We said that small rivers are not affected as much with cold front conditions, and it paid off. 8 fish in 2 days.
Yeah. And it was blowing today. I mean, it was really blowing today. So we didn't notice it here, but it would have been tough conditions out on the big water today. We had a beautiful day back here in the quiet river. Haven't seen another boat the whole entire time we've been here. So just perfect trip.
Good job, man, on the fly. I'll tell you what, from Dave Brown, Ben Olsen, Mike Keys, I don't know where we're gonna be, but I guarantee it will be an adventure. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you all next week. Keys Outdoors and Quick Trip have teamed up once again for another Musky Adventure contest. One lucky winner and a guest will spend a day out on the water with Mr. Dave Brown. But that's not all. You will also receive a $100 Quick Trip gift card. To enter, text KEYS to 77887. Message and data rates may apply. For official rules and free means to enter, visit quicktrip.com. Keys Outdoors would not be possible without the support of these awesome sponsors.